welcome to today's video. Now, when it comes on to vitamins, there are three important vitamins that are great for the skin. You have vitamin A, you have vitamin C, and you have vitamin E. All of these three are antioxidants that will help your skin to look younger and fresher. When it comes on to vitamin A will have to boost the collagen production in the skin. It is a form of a retinol that will help with skin elasticity, help to keep the skin tight, firm, and youthful. Now, when it comes on to vitamin C also will have to boost the collagen production in the skin. But this vitamin will also have to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation, any form of a dark spots and blemishes on the skin. It will also help to get rid of dead skin cells on the skin and leave the skin with a natural, beautiful, bright glow. Now, when it comes on to vitamin E will have to nourish the skin, hydrates the skin, and keep the skin soft and supple. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to show you how you can make your own anti-aging facial moisturizer, which is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Now, this facial moisturizer, guys, is good to use on the skin at night. So if you're looking to age in reverse by keeping your skin younger and fresher looking with a natural glow, guess what, guys? This video is for you. So follow me to my kitchen. I will show you step by step and how to make this amazing facial moisturizer. I will also share some tips at the end of the video and how best to use this moisturizer on your skin to achieve your natural, beautiful, younger looking glow. So if you're interested, guys, do not go away. Continue watching the video for the full recipe. Now, to make this recipe, you're gonna need a blender. Our first ingredient is vitamin C powder, and we're using the vitamin C powder for its skin lightening properties. It will have to boost the collagen production in the skin. So I'm using about a half a teaspoon of the vitamin C powder, and I'll put the link below where you could get the vitamin C powder. And next I'm going to reach for some rose water, and this is distilled rose water. If you do not have rose water for this recipe, use some distilled water. And I'm going to pour about a tablespoon of the rose water in the bowl with the vitamin C, and we're going to slowly just blend this together. What I'm doing is dissolving the vitamin C powder in the rose water. Once this is done, guys, I am going to reach for my next ingredient. Now, the next ingredient is grapeseed oil. You can use any carrier oil for this recipe: olive oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, or even some canola oil. So what I'm going to use is about 3 tablespoons of my grapeseed oil. Pour that in. And next I'm going to reach for my avocado oil. For my avocado oil, I'm using about a teaspoon. I'm not using a lot. Run about a teaspoon of avocado oil. Pour that in. And then I'm going to add some special oil to this. Before I add my special oil, I'm going to add a little bit of an aloe vera gel. You can choose to add the aloe vera, or you can choose to omit it. I'm using about a teaspoon of the aloe vera gel. Pour this in. Now here I have some jojoba oil. Jojoba oil will help to nourish the skin. I'm using a few drops of the jojoba oil, about a half a teaspoon. Pour that in. And now we're going to add 2 more oils to this, guys. The next oil is going to be some vitamin A. And I'm using capsule for this. 2 capsule, 24 mcg of vitamin A. Vitamin A will have to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It will also have to boost the collagen production in the skin. So we're pouring this in. And each capsule is going to give me about 4 to 5 drops. And then we're going to add our final oil, which is some vitamin E oil. Help to nourish and hydrates the skin also. And we're using about a half a teaspoon of the vitamin E oil, depending on your IU. Now, once this is done, guys, we are going to blend this to a cream. So just cover. And blend. Now after blending, let's reach for our small jar and take a look at our moisturizer, guys. Let's pour this out. And here it is, your anti-aging vitamin C, vitamin A moisturizer. Now store this moisturizer in your refrigerator and it can be stored for about 7 to 10 days. It's gonna get a little thicker, but that's okay. Now guys, to use your amazing facial moisturizer, you need to take a little bit, apply it and clean skin, preferably at night, and you're gonna massage this on your skin. Massage it on your face, your neck, and your décolleté. Completely massage it on the skin. Once this is done, you're gonna go to sleep with it. Upon arising in the morning, you wash your face like you normally do. Now I suggest that you use this preferably at night, since you don't want to be in the sun wearing the strong vitamin C. So use it on your skin at night. Upon arising in the mornings, you just rinse and then you use your regular daytime facial moisturizer. Now you can use this as long as you wish. If you're looking to remove wrinkles from the skin, this is for you. If you're looking to hydrate the skin, this is for you. If you're looking to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation, give this a try. So there you have it, guys. Your amazing vitamin C, vitamin A rich anti-aging facial cream. So there you have it. I'm telling you guys, such an amazing combination of ingredient. This is what I personally use on my skin. And at my age, guys, I think my skin look amazing. This helped to reduce the wrinkles and fine lines. It helped to boost the collagen. And what I like about it most is that it keeps my skin looking fresh, rejuvenated, and also a natural glow. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. And guess what, guys? If you have tried vitamin C powder before, comment below. Let us know exactly how you make yours and also what are some of the other ingredients that you normally mix with the vitamin C powder. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.